Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel, and today I will tell you about Jilin government scholarship. Before starting this, let me show you one thing. So this is our YouTube Facebook page, CSC Guide, www.cscguideofficial, facebook.com/cscguideofficial. Okay, and you can see that 5.6k likes, and you also see that there's one thing more about this. Three our groups are running Chinese government scholarships, Chinese scholarship position, and China scholarship guide. So you can also join these groups. Okay, now let's start. So what is the purpose of CSC Guide official Facebook page? So I will clear you in this video. So type CSC Guide official and click on the first link. When you click on first link, you can see our website and CSC scholarship procedures, admissions, president scholarship. So we click on president scholarships. So if you if you don't know how you apply for president scholarship, then click on president scholarship. Now you can see Bihua University Chilean government scholarship, how you apply for this scholarship. Okay, now when you click here, you can see the advertisement of this Bihua University Chilean government scholarship. Jilin government scholarship, Bihua University master. This is only for master students and not for undergraduate and not for PhD. Fully funded, 1,700 RMB for masters. No need to send documents. No application fee. 15th of April 2020 is the last date. All international students can apply, but this is for masters. So age limit for masters is 35. Okay, just fill Jilin government scholarship application form. This is not an online application form. Download the form and fill it and send it to university email address. Okay, means prepared all your documents and along with the Chilean government scholarship application form, send it to university email address. Okay, on which email address you send your documents, I will tell you. So don't worry about this. Result will be announced at the end of July. No need to send hard copies, just online apply. Required documents is Chilean government scholarship application form. Click here to go to CSC Guide official page and download it. So I will tell you in this video, don't worry about this. So highest degree, transcript of highest education, study or research plan, recommendation letters for passport copy, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate, and HSK4 is mandatory for this scholarship if your major is in Chinese. So this is the email address in which you send your documents, all these documents along with the Chilean government scholarship application form. So if you want to ask from them, either if your major is in Chinese, then you can apply with English proficiency certificate. Hope so, they tell you. Okay, so when you click here, and you can reach our Google Facebook page. So after clicking on this, you can see the second one post is that click on download Chilean government scholarship application form. Click here and download the Chilean government scholarship application form. When you download it, after downloading it, you can see application form from Chilean government scholarship, and this basic and very simple form. If you want to fill, you must fill this form. Okay, after filling fill your all information regarding to this, and after this at the end you must fill your you must sign your signature on the last page and date as well. Okay, good luck and hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then visit our website and page CSC Guide official, and visit our website cscguideofficial.com, and other countries scholarship, list of universities and CSC scholarship required documents and samples. If you still worrying about your document sample, you can click here and click on CSC scholarships required documents. Okay, these are the required documents: CV sample, study plan, and Chilean Agriculture University, Chilean physical examination form, recommendation letter, and study plan as well, and personal statement. So all these documents are available here, so don't worry about this. So good luck and take care if you stay connected with the CSC Guide official YouTube channel at cscguideofficial.com.